Hello guys, welcome to this channel Learn for Tech, and today we are on protected ports on Cisco Catalyst switch. First, the protected port is a feature on Cisco Catalyst switches that you can use to prevent interfaces from communicating with each other. Let me show you this diagram. As you can see here, take a look at this diagram. We have two computers, one server and a switch. Nothing fancy here. Everything is in one VLAN, and the two computers and the server can communicate with each other. And we can try that. Let's try to ping. Ping 192.168.1.11, this one. As you can see, I can ping. I can also ping .1, the server, with the staff B ping 192.168.1.10. Yes, and also we can ping .1. So nothing here. We have not done any configuration, and let's try enable show run. Okay, there's nothing. So what if we want to enhance security and ensure that staff A and staff B can only reach servers but not each other? Like here, we can ping here, or we can access this server, and this staff B can access this server, but they cannot reach each other. And this makes perfect sense in a client server setup. Normally, there's no need for computers to connect to each other unless staff A and staff B are secretly using shared folder on their computers without permission from administrator. That's when they can communicate with each other. But there's nothing much they can do. There's nothing much they can do here apart from accessing the server. So we can ensure staff A and staff B cannot communicate with each other by using protected ports. So by default, all the switch ports are unprotected. All the ports by default on this switch are unprotected, but you can do some configuration here to prevent this stuff from communicating with this stuff within the same switch. The interfaces connected to staff A and staff B can be protected ports, and the interface connected to server is unprotected port. Protected ports are unable to communicate with each other. So unprotected, they can communicate. Unprotected with unprotected, they can communicate. So our goal, our objective is to make sure that there is no communication between staff A and staff B. And to demonstrate this, we will use these computers and the server, and all computers and the server are in the same subnet with subnet 192.168.1.0/24. All are in the same VLAN, the default VLAN 1. The switch has a default configuration. So let's configure our switch to achieve our objective. Let me clear our all drawings. Yes. Let's go to global configuration, config terminal. So we have port FA01 and FA02. Those are ports we want to protect. So interface range FA00/1-2, switch port mode access, and switch port yes, switch port protected. Enter, exit. Yes, that's it. We have now protected our two ports, port FA01 and FA02. They cannot communicate with each other. Exit. We can verify our configuration. Show interface FA01, switch port, enter. As you can see here, protected, true, yes, it's protected. And you can save our configuration, copy, run, start, yes. Now let's try to ping. Before they were communicating, but after doing this configuration, let's try again. We are on staff A. Let's ping staff B, 192.168.1.11. Let's wait and see. As you can see here, the request timeout means that we have protected these ports, cannot communicate with each other, but staff A can communicate with server, staff B can communicate with server. What they cannot do is communicating between staff A and staff B. So wrapping up, although we can use other techniques like port-based access control list to achieve this, we can use private VLANs to achieve this, but setting up protected ports is one of the simplest way we can help to reduce security threats on the network. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, follow us. We have more videos to come until we come up with a full enterprise network setup, which has all the features we want. Thank you. Welcome.